Okay guys, it is Wednesday, May the 8th, 2024. I'm here in Elizabethtown, North Carolina. And boy, we've got a storm heading in our direction. You can really hear the thunder rumble right now. Oh me. Saw a flash of lightning over there. I know for a fact there's a storm just west of us in Lumberton that's heading in our direction. Yep. Definitely hear that thunder rumble. So, everyone in Elizabethtown, take cover. It's coming. And I'm not kidding. No sir, definitely not kidding. It's definitely coming.